In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change your keyboard's theme. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll all the way down to hit General Management. From here, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. And finally, scroll to access theme section available here. Then apply any of those by clicking on it and go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!